Mind-blowing Tesla's new $2.4 billion semi-truck factory. Tesla's semi-truck is expected to shake things up, as it does in any sector. Musk brings the low cost of ownership, minimal downtime due to less maintenance, convoy mode, and quick acceleration to the table. Keep watching this video to know more. Hello, and welcome back to another top video from your favorite tech channel, Disruptive Age. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily information and updates on happenings in the tech world. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the following video. Let's dig in. The trucking sector is still unsure of what is affecting them. Tesla, on the other hand, must not only complete the truck, but also have a strategy for where it will manufacture the battery-powered trucks before it can disrupt the trucking industry. In this video, we take a look inside Tesla's semi-truck facility, as the semi-truck of the future is unveiled. Musk predicted that the all-electric Class 8 truck will be available for delivery in 2019. Their deadline passed, requiring Tesla to release an update of the delivery timeline to 2020. However, due to COVID, the companies that did not go bankrupt failed to reach their goals, and the delivery of trailer trucks was postponed again. The news of tractor unit shipments, which began later that year, began to spread again, but there are no tractor units here yet. However, once the truck is ready, it's worth it. Many top logistics companies such as Pepsi, Walmart, Anheuser-Busch, and City Furniture are also loyal to their orders. Offering over 300 and 500 miles, electric trucks promise less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. It's an aerodynamic wonder, and has a low drag coefficient of 0.35. Tesla is crazy about performance and is shown in a semi-trailer that can accelerate from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 20 seconds with a load of 80,000 pounds, thanks to a system of 4 electric motors with instant traction control. It literally compresses upgrades and tilts. The electric motor is independent and can draw different amounts of power from the battery depending on the road conditions. Tesla argues that this ability helps Jack avoid the worst nightmares of truck drivers. The jackknifing phenomenon occurs when the trailer is moving faster than the cab due to a trailer brake failure. This happens when the driver tries to brake at high speed. Tesla says each will decide what to do to make the road harder to grab and avoid accidents. In addition to increased safety, Tesla is driving the economy of semi-trailers, which leads to incredible cost savings for fleet operators. According to the order page, electric trucks offer over $200,000 in fuel savings over a 2-year payback period. Tesla did not place the steering wheel at the right or left side, but rather, both the driver and steering wheel in the center of the cab, for a safer driving experience. The trucks start at $150,000 and can be booked today with a refundable booking fee of $20,000. Tesla conducted a road test. As a result, we witnessed observers quickly pull out their mobile phones to share their photos on social media. It was first reported that Tesla was operating in a huge building next to the Nevada Gigafactory in February 2020, where Tesla produces electric semi-trailers. The first Gigafactory, where Tesla manufactures battery cells and packs, drive units and energy storage products, is only 30% complete, but is one of the largest buildings in the world. Tesla has opted to operate from a building adjacent to the plant, instead of completing and installing part of Giga Nevada. Tesla will produce a semi-trailer in the new building. A year later, fast-forwarding, Tesla was informed that it would be in limited production at the building near Giga Nevada. Within a 500,000 square foot building, Tesla produces a total of 5 trucks a week, far from what Tesla had to offer to meet its requirements. In early January, Tesla announced vacant seats in positions related to semi-trailer trucks, suggesting that Tesla would manufacture electric trucks there. The work included a manager of maintenance and manufacturing equipment engineers. Join other vacancies such as process engineers. Nevertheless, employment enthusiasm was confirmed. The property, with 550 million drives, has a production line. But 5 trucks a week are far from Musk's ambitions, as he seeks to produce 100,000 trucks a year to position Tesla as one of the world's leading manufacturers of electric trucks. At Austin Gigafactory, battery production is also increasing, so production is increasing. Speaking of battery production, that brings us to the reason for the recent delays. Unfortunately, Tesla was forced to increase semi-trailer production to 22. Tesla was developing semi-trailers despite the loss of former truck president, Jerome Gillen, in June. Land Bank reported in July that the drive axle production line was ready and that the general assembly line was undergoing final troubleshooting before production began. But without a battery, there can be no electric semi-trailer. Musk himself dropped a bomb on his company. He gave hope to his call for victory in January, stating that the engineering work on the tractor-trailer was completed and delivery is scheduled for this year. However, Musk added a warning that battery availability could affect Tesla's ability to manufacture tractor-trailers. Musk mentioned the new 4680 battery. The official confirmation of the delay, unfortunately, was not surprising. The semi-trailer debuted with the new 4680 battery, and Tesla is struggling to get it ready for use in their car. Due to problems with the pilot plant, battery yield has not yet reached production standards. Another victim of battery lag is the Model S, which Tesla wanted to ship with a new battery. The company currently uses 2170 batteries in its electric sedan. But it's not just the 4680 battery that Tesla is pushing the electric truck to 22. That basically means sacrificing semi-trailer by pushing it to 22. His focus is now on the completion of the Gigafactory in Berlin and Austin, and the Model Y will be manufactured by the end of July, according to SEC filing. The speed of each production start is influenced by the successful introduction of many new products and manufacturing technologies. Continuing supply chain challenges and regional opportunities to focus more on these factories. We have also postponed the start of the semi-trailer truck program to 22, due to the limited availability of battery cells and global supply chain challenges. It makes sense because Tesla getting permission from Gigafactory was a difficult battle, with opposition from local environmental groups and bureaucratic delays. Tesla will focus on completing a plant that will strengthen its presence in Europe. Another delay would be disappointing for companies that could place pre-orders and give Tesla's rivals a chance to beat the market. There is no doubt that Tesla will take advantage of the delay in working on the truck. Musk even boasted that the delivery truck would exceed the expectations set at the unveiling. To ensure this, Tesla plans to hand over a truck with a dog hood to his company. Semi-trailers deliver products between Nevada and California. This route is very crowded for Tesla, as it often carries battery packs and powertrains from Giga Nevada to the Fremont facility, where electric vehicles are assembled. Musk once called the logistics costs of moving cargo between two factories huge. The length of the route is 260 kilometers, which is ideal for testing electric trucks. Tesla can not only show how trucks work in everyday use, but can also translate the desire for cost savings from paper to reality. Here, he could even test his convoy mode. This is not the first time Musk has used its products to support or profit from other businesses. Let's know in the comments section if you can take a swing at purchasing this truck. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to turn on post notifications. See you in our next video.